In this video tech tip, we're going to be showing you some of the basic mouse commands used in Artec Studio 17. The first mouse command is rotating. This is used for models or scans. To rotate the model, hold down the left mouse button and drag it around the screen. You'll see the model rotate. Optionally, you can set a rotation center, that little pink dot, which will become the center from which the models or scans rotate. You can move it around by double-clicking again, or you can clear it to free rotate. Next, you can hold down the right mouse button to zoom in or out on the scans. The final mouse command is panning. This can be done either by holding down left and right, or the scroll wheel, if your scroll wheel clicks. When you're working in the editor tools, such as the eraser or defeature brush, you'll note that some commands require holding down Control or other Alt keys to activate various cursor types. Finally, when you're working in the Align tools, you'll note that there are a shift and left click for rotation of the unregistered scan, or shift and left and right click to pan the unregistered scan. This can be helpful for roughly setting an alignment before proceeding. Thank you very much.